So this is for anyone who needs to know how to plug in a monitor cable. So on PC, you have ports. Those where the plugs go into. Here is the one for the video. Let's see, can we get it to focus? There. They also have different holes, and you want to find the one that matches. This one's called an HDMI. You find the hole that matches. Where is it? Right there. And you plug it in on one side. The monitor should have a cable just like it. As you can see from here, it goes up to here. And that one just goes into another port, just like that. Plug it in. And then your monitor set up. Okay. Bye.